when they attack you, same time they said, you attack me. That is the attacking. They say, these monks, when they take over monastery, the monks defense, these monks of the monastery shut the door. So, okay, they attack, they are guilty. When they attack the monastery, they say, these monks are guilty, therefore we attack. When we were celebrating the wonderful boys' welcome ceremony, and then the group came there stoning us, And what they said is, their group, they said, Karmapa is stoning this monastery. They announced in the world. They attacked me, and then he said, Karmapa is attack. So, do you think Karmapa is attack himself? Then I analyzed why they do this. They are taking advantage of naive of the followers, their followers.